Welcome to Techbench. Today we're demonstrating the benefits of offline filtration, a smart way to maintain cleaner oil while your machinery is idle. Unlike traditional inline filters, the HYDAC OFT-HV mobile filtration system operates offline, meaning you can filter your oil during downtime without interrupting production. This hands-on approach ensures contaminants are removed, preserving oil quality and extending equipment life. Setting up is simple. Just connect the inlet and outlet of the OFT to the hydraulic system's reservoir and let the OFT work its magic while you attend to other tasks. Cleaner oil equals more reliable machinery and smoother operations. For more hands-on insights into fluid technologies, stay tuned to HYDAC's Techbench series, where reliability meets innovation.